So we have the M4 here, our shop car, and we are busy taking off the satin midnight purple dynamic PPF. Obviously the PPFs come off very easily, as you can see. Well, nothing on the bonnet. The bonnet will stay carbon, but most of it's getting removed on the car. We're getting ready for the new PPF to come on. Very sad, I'm not gonna lie. This color's grown on me. It looks really cool. The bigger pieces, as you can see. The color's actually really grown. But we're doing something very special, very unique, which is gonna be really cool. And we're gonna show you guys the whole process. We're gonna show everything getting done on the car and refitting the kit. Stay tuned. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you have kept this color, or are you happy with what we're changing it to? And let's go from there. I don't think I've been this excited waiting for something before. Look at the box. The box is upside down, guys. I'm sorry. Inozetek Dynamic. It's supposed to say PPF, but yeah, we are very, very excited for what is in this box. So let's open the box.
Do that. Don't try to apprehend them.
This is the Eclipse Dynamic PPF. Very limited, very rare, very hard to get. And we are going to be putting this onto something cool. I don't know if you can already see, it shifts from black to white. Color shifting. So yeah, we will show you the whole installation and let's get going. Okay, so we have the car. It's been unwrapped. All the satin midnight purple is off the car and it's ready for a full color change into the new color, which is the Inozetek Dynamic PPF. As you guys can see, this is very special, very limited. Not too many rolls like this across the world. If you feel it, it feels a bit like record vinyl, which I know a lot of people won't know what that is, but you can hear it also. It's very cool. So we're going to get going. We're going to cover the entire car in this color and show you the whole process. Very cool, very unique, probably one of its kind, and let us know what you think.
This beat is dope.
We are busy with the installation of the Inozetek Dynamic PPF, the Eclipse. I have a small piece here, we'll show you. So it is dry application PPF. We've cut everything out. Obviously it had to be a bulk installation because it came to us as a roll. We didn't do a pre-cut kit. We've cut all our pieces, and as you can see, we're starting to apply it. The material doesn't really require a lot of stretch to it. And we've just done one fender. I'm sure you guys can see the way the lines just move. It feels very interesting. It doesn't feel like anything you would have ever felt before. It feels like vinyl. And like, look at the way it shifts in color. So we will show you the whole process, everything that's happening. Stay tuned and watch us transform the Shop M4 into something amazing. Okay, so we've laid one whole side of the car, well, both sides, but you guys can see this side that's done. The Eclipse all the way from the back. We've got it running here all the way from the back to the front. And as you can see, the way the color shifts from white to dark, but we actually made a mistake. So if you look at the front fender, it's our first time working with it. We actually put this the wrong way. So it doesn't match up with the other side of the car. So we need to change this to match up. It's been a challenge to work with, but it's been really fun learning as we go along. So we're going to show you now how to remove the PPF because we need to actually strip this fender. So here we go. The anxiety kicks in, and let us strip off the PPF on this fender. This is PPF, so it's quite straightforward to remove. Obviously also it's been in the sun the whole day, so it's quite heated up already. Quite hot, quite warm. As you can see, it comes off relatively easy, and almost there. How cool the color difference is though. So this is the same foam, but obviously it reflects light completely opposite because we made a mistake and put this in a completely different direction to that. So as you can see, if you move around, this goes from white to black, but if you move around here, this goes from black to white. Completely opposite direction, same foam, but we just applied them in the wrong direction. And let us almost get it off. And that's it. The film's off the car. So as you can see, if you put it on there now, can you see this now matches up? But if you turn it over, it doesn't match up. And as you keep flipping it around in directions, it's different every time. This is the most mind-boggling thing you will ever work with. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so we are done with application. Car's come together quite nicely. It was very challenging. We just have the back bumper left to put on and a couple of small things around the car. I think it's coming together really well. Very excited to see the finished product. Obviously, we still have the wheels to put on the car, the bumper, some badges, clean up the car. I'm also a bit confused how we're going to clean this, but we will figure that out. We will reach out to our friends over at Inozetek and find out how to clean this. But really awesome product. The color shift is mind-boggling. It will literally play games with you. You'll see it, you'll think, then it's black, then it's white, then it's gray. Like, you don't know what it is. Like, look at the bumper. The bumper's really cool. Like, I don't know what colors you guys are seeing, but it's white here and black there to me. I don't know what you're seeing. So it's amazing, this product, what it is. When I'm standing here, the bumper's white. Like, so let us know what you think. Would you wrap your car in this color? Well, it's PPF as well. So let us know what you think. How do you feel about the car? We're going to show you the wheels also. We actually made the wheels white. So let us know what you think about that.